The Punjab and Haryana High Court has directed the Haryana government to provide a report on the action taken against extension lecturers who obtained PhD degrees from private universities that did not comply with mandatory UGC regulations. Currently, Haryana government has initiated action only against 292 extension lecturers who obtained their PhDs from OPJS, Sunrise, and Singhania universities in Rajasthan. These universities have been barred by the UGC from enrolling students. The issue arose when the PhD degrees of extension lecturers serving in various colleges of state were brought up for hearing. State Council informed the court that the Department of Higher Education is not engaging new extension lecturers. These lecturers were initially hired as a temporary measure to fill the workload until regular appointments are made. Department also clarified that a committee is reviewing the procedure for in-service teachers, whether regular or extension lecturers, to obtain PhD degrees. Committee's recommendations were awaited and appropriate action will be taken based on those recommendations. Additionally, State informed the court that a memo dated 8th January was issued to principals of all government colleges. Memo instructed that promotions under the Career Advancement Scheme for assistant professors, associate professors, and professors who obtained PhDs from private universities be withheld with immediate effect. The State Council contended that, as per information received from all the government colleges, 292 extension lecturers obtained PhD degrees from UGC barred universities. Out of those, services of 159 extension lecturers were dispensed with by passing separate speaking orders as degrees obtained were not in compliance with UGC regulations. 74 extension lecturers who were net qualified before the cutoff date had their services retained, but they would not be entitled to financial or other benefits based on PhD degrees in future. 11 extension lecturers who obtained their qualifications while in service after 30 June 2023 but before issuance of instructions on 14 December 2023 petitioned the government to be considered eligible, arguing that they acquired their qualifications while employed. Government's decision on this matter is pending. 62 extension lecturers remain in service due to various interim orders passed by the court in different cases. Department is in process of filing applications to seek vacation of stay orders in those cases. However, some petitioners pointed out that department had only taken action against extension lecturers from three private universities. They noted that many other extension lecturers had obtained PhD degrees from other private universities that also failed to comply with UGC regulations, yet no action had been taken against them. In response, State Council clarified that a committee has been specifically formed to verify PhD degrees obtained by assistant professors, associate professors, and professors from other private universities. The committee's report is awaited and appropriate action will be taken once it is received.